Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream Retinol Remove Eye Bags, Dark Circles, Anti-Aging, Lifting, Firming, Whitening, Moisturizing, Brighten Skincare. Description. Features. It can soothe eye skin tension, moisturize, tighten and repair skin, help reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. At the same time, it has the functions of removing dark circles and anti-puffiness, anti-aging and accelerating the regeneration of skin texture, and intensely hydrates dry skin. Specifications. Number of pieces, 1 unit. Certificate number, 202,604,896. Net WT, 3G. Feature, moisturizing. Country, region of manufacture, China. Item type, cream. Gender, female. Use, face. Brand name, ouhoe. Origin, Mainland China. Certification, GZZZ.